We'll guide you through how to find your Instagram profile URL link. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram. Having your Instagram profile URL link is really convenient because you can then go and share it with people, post it on the platforms, link it elsewhere, and people can go and tap on it and get taken straight to your account. It's much easier than having to go into Instagram and then go and try searching your account as they may not know your username, etc. So having the link is just so convenient and removes the friction it's strong to go and find your account. So make sure it's full guide as well, as I'm giving you a useful tip at the end for making it even easier for you to go and share your link. So to get started on Instagram, you need to head to the bottom right and go and find your profile icon and tap there, or maybe a user icon, depending upon if you've got multiple accounts. Head to the top of Instagram, you'll go and see your display name, your account name, your post, followers and following, and your bio. What you need though is the share profile button. So you can tap there, this page will go and open up. You want to go down and press copy link, but keep watching, we're not finished. Now you need to come somewhere where you can go and paste it. Tap your cursor and you can press paste, but you don't need anything after the question mark and including the question mark. So this is what you don't need, everything after the question mark, including it, and that's it. That's your link.